The Garden Report, 15 March 2020. The bean plants are now reaching the 6-inch level. Over here, on just the plain mushroom and sand, we're with the ones that are up, we're fully at the 2-inch level. And they're beginning to germinate quite a bit. On the ones that are just the mushroom dirt, we're somewhere between 2 and 3 inches for the majority of plants. On the Miracle-Gro, I had a germination rate based on some that have not yet fully come up, but I counted them yesterday. I was pushing 85%, and I'll update that as necessary. My germination rate on the sand and mushroom dirt is still to be determined. I've got some coming up that I can see. However, I don't have enough up to be sure of what the germination rate is. I've got 4 that I can see, 2 that are starting to come up out of 16. On my other one over here, I had a germination rate of 72%, but again, not all of them have come up, if they come up at all. The rate of water that's given to them is based on the dryness of the soil. Yesterday, each one of them got 8 ounces of water on the pots, and that was enough to get this wet and hold the soil wet throughout the day. But we check them every morning. It's currently 8:15 in the morning, and everything's looking pretty good.